Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English unit number 2, page number 21 and 22, exercise grammar, interrogative pronouns and demonstrative pronouns. Students, now let us start. Interrogative pronouns. Definition: interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Usually interrogative pronouns come at the start of the sentence, questions and with a question mark. For example, example number 1, who is your favorite national leader? Next, example number 2, whose pen is this? Next, example number 3, where are you going? Next, example number 4, which way did you choose? Next, page number 22, topic is demonstrative pronouns. Definition: demonstrative pronouns are used to show or point out something that is objects, people, animals, etc. For example, this, that, those, these. Singular: close to the speaker, this is used. Next, far from the speaker, that is used. Next, plural: close to the speaker, these is used. Next, far from the speaker, those is used. Next, example number 1, look at this. Next, example number 2, there are many flowers, do you like these? Next, example number 3, that looks like a fox. Next, example number 4, Maha wears her mother's clothes, she looks odd in those. Students, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. I hope you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.